My ghoulish keyboard player uses a broken MIDI keyboard that I have attached to an old ironing board stand and drilled new positions for the legs. It's really just kind of thrown together, but it folds up and stores nicely. And pull that out of the way. And this was initially just a hanging prop with light up eyes. Oh no, I'm sorry. The eyes didn't light up. I put red LEDs in there. 12 volt automotive LEDs. And this cape was added afterwards. It was just a cool piece of fabric that someone gave me. And inside I've got the other robotic pool vacuum motors, or the other motor, and another 3D printed arm for that, and that just swings the tube around, which runs through some PVC and a pivot point, and it uses the same 3D printed PVC holders as the little guy. And around the back here, see, it's just mounted to a piece of scrap plywood, and the whole thing just sits on an old plastic wheeled cart. It's actually used for I think file storage cart, but I've got my speed controller so he can really rock out, or he can play nice and mellow. But it's all made to store easily, and hopefully, anyway, because I'm running out of room. The speed controller's in a 3D printed box, and everything else is pretty much off the shelf. I'm not sure what else I can tell you about this guy. So there you have it. That was the keyboard player.